My name is Karina, and today I will explain how to install and set up Minecraft Education Edition. Ready? Before installing Minecraft Education Edition, you need the following: an Office 365 Education account and a device running either Mac OS or Windows 10. For Mac OS devices, head directly to the Minecraft Education site download page to get the installations files necessary. For Windows 10 devices, there are two pathways depending on whether your device is yours alone or whether it is shared. For personal devices, head to the Microsoft Store for Education product description page, click on the free trial button, enter your Office 365 Education account. You will see a message saying you are using an account with a Microsoft service already. Sign in with your password and you will be taken back to the store. Then click on Install. To install Minecraft Education Edition for shared devices, enter Minecraft Knowledge Base at education.minecraft.net and follow the instructions. Now, let's get into the game to get to know the menus and settings. After Minecraft Education Edition is installed in your device, you will find its icon in your apps. Pin it to the taskbar to find it quickly. Log in with your Office 365 Education credentials. In the main screen, you will see four options for Play, Settings, Quick Play, and Coat Anchor icon. Play allows you to create a world, a new world for yourself, import a world from someone else, start a multiplayer game to connect with others, or join someone else's multiplayer game. Settings can change aspects of the game like sound, video, language, control settings, and more. Quick Play allows you to quickly join a random world set to creative and peaceful without going into setting at all. And the Coat Anchor icon allows you to change your Minecraft skin. For more information on these menus, check this video for ways you can customize the setting of Minecraft Education Edition and improve your gameplay experience. Thank you.